Hey, so you probably tried to learn how to code. You've watched a few YouTube tutorials, maybe downloaded a course, but somehow it just didn't click, right? Don't worry, you are definitely not alone. Most people start learning to code and quit after the first few weeks. But here's the thing, it's not because coding is too hard, it's because no one tells you how to learn in the right way. In this video I'm going to show you a simple, realistic way to start coding, even if you know absolutely nothing right now. When people start coding, they often expect instant results. They think I learn a language in a week and build an app, and the reality hits. Strange errors, confusing quotes, tutorials that skip steps, and suddenly it feels impossible. But here's the truth, coding is like learning a new language. You can't speak fluently on day one. But if you keep listening, reading and using it, it slowly starts to make sense. You just need to learn how to learn. The first thing every beginner needs is the right mindset. Forget about being perfect, forget about finishing everything fast. The goal is not to learn programming, the goal is to get curious. When something doesn't work, don't think I failed. Think interesting, why did that happen? Because that's what coding actually is, solving tiny mysteries one by one. And trust me, if you can stay curious, you'll go way faster than 90% of people who quit after 2 weeks. Nowadays there are so many ways to learn how to code. Courses, YouTube, bootcamps, free tutorials, AI tools. It's overwhelming. And that's a trap. You keep jumping from one to another, hoping the next one will finally make it click. But what you really need is one clear path. Pick one language, one beginner-friendly source, and stick to it for a while. Don't worry about what's the best language. The best one is the one you actually practice. Think of it like this. Learning to code has 3 stages. First, understanding the basics. That means learning what code actually does, how it gives instructions to a computer. Second, building things. Small things, simple things, just to get the feeling of turning ideas into reality. And third, solving problems. Because when you understand how to fix your own mistakes, that's when you truly become the coder. Don't try to memorize everything. Instead, focus on doing, breaking, fixing and understanding. That's how every real programmer learns. The hardest part isn't the code, it's staying consistent. You'll have days when everything breaks, when you feel stupid, when nothing makes sense, and that's normal. Every single programmer has been there. The trick is to make coding a habit, not a one-time thing. Even 30 minutes a day is enough, because every small session builds up, one line of code at a time. It's not about speed, it's about showing up. Here's a secret no one tells you. The most powerful skill in programming isn't coding, it's learning how to learn. You'll constantly face new tools, new languages, new problems. And if you can stay patient, curious and keep figuring things out, you'll never be stuck for long. Learning to code means learning to not give up. And don't do it alone. Join a community, online groups, Discord servers, coding forums, whatever works for you. Share your progress, ask questions, help others, because when you surround yourself with people who are learning too, it's way easier to stay motivated. So, if you've been trying to learn how to code and it feels hard, that's totally okay. It's supposed to be hard, but it's also worth it. Start small, stay consistent and don't stop when it gets tough. Every great developer started exactly where you're right now. Confused, frustrated, but curious. If you're ready to start this journey, hit that like button, subscribe and let's learn to code together. See you in the next one.